Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're looking for an innovative, versatile, and stylish solution to shade and protect your outdoor space, you're in the right place. Today we're going to take an in-depth look at the slide-on-wire canopy system from Nuys Awning. This system combines elegance, functionality, and durability to bring you the perfect canopy solution for your home or commercial property. So sit back, relax, and enjoy us as we explore the top benefits of the slide-on-wire canopy system from Nuys Awning. Elegance and beauty. The slide-on-wire canopy system from Nuys Awning not only provides UV protection and functionality, but it also adds an element of elegance and beauty to your outdoor space. With its sleek design, this system will enhance the look of any property. Customizable shade. With the slide-on-wire system, you can easily control the amount of shade coverage you are getting at any time. If the weather gets really bad, or you just want to enjoy the sun to its full potential, all you have to do is slide your awning back. This customizable feature allows you to adjust your shade coverage to suit your specific needs and is measured to your exact space. Versatile design. The slide-on-wire canopy system from Nuys Awning is perfect for any outdoor space. Whether you have a large commercial property or a small backyard, this system can be customized to fit your specific needs. Durability. The slide-on-wire canopy system is built to last. Made with high-quality materials including beautiful UV-rated fabric and stainless steel attachment hardware for maximum strength. This system is designed to be weather-resistant and provide you with years of UV protection. Easy to use. Finally, the slide-on-wire system is incredibly easy to use. With just a simple slide, you can open and close the canopy, making it perfect for those hot summer days when you want some extra shade. So there you have it, the top benefits of the slide-on-wire canopy system from Nuys Awning. With its elegant look, versatile design, and ease of use, this system is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a functional canopy solution. If you're interested in learning more about this shade solution, give us a call or fill out the form on our website at vannuysawning.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.